my country cousins. We got these two youngins here with us today, Mason and Jacob. You know them. Mason says he's going to make us a foot snare. All he's asked me for is a piece of string, and he's going to make it all from scratch, and he's going to show you how to do it. All right, Bubby, go ahead.
First, I'm going to move away all the leaves for right now. Then, I need the string.
Yep.
You need my rock over here.
He found him a rock. That's going to be his hammer, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can use a hammer, but if you're in the woods stuck, we're just going to use a rock for the fun of it. So, I'm tying the stick to the back of this to make like a pole.
The string.
The string to make it kind of like a pole. Oh, you don't have to use a big stick, but last time we were using a little one because he had a pretty big one, but it broke. It broke a couple times. So I'm just gonna break the stick real quick, a little bit.
Think so? You don't want a skinnier one?
So right now I'm hammering. Are you sure that? Oh, sorry. The string came in tight. We own bird feeders today. There's one right there.
Yeah, we did. We made bird feeders today.
So,
here, I'm going to slide over here and help you tie that one more time. He's the expert. He knows what he's doing, but I am going to help him tie it one more time. I think he has a little trouble getting it good and tight. Okay, there you go. Now, he's been making it. Tell us about the reason why, because they don't like to move their patterns of feet.
Well, I'm going to get to that in just a couple seconds.
Oh, he's getting that couple seconds.
Okay. First, I'm going to make a loop. Like a loop like this, and then a pretty big loop. And then I'm going to get the string and make a hole, and then I'm going to pull it through and make a knot right there. And then I'm going to pull this down into just a little bit. And we'll show you how it works. We'll show you it's going on. We'll show you. So now I want to put on my leaves to kind of hide the trap. Ooh, it's cold.
It is cold. Yeah, you'll have to pardon their sniffles. It's 36 degrees today over here in eastern Kentucky. But they wanted to be outside so bad they couldn't stand it, so we made bird feeders, and now he wants to show us how to make this trap, so we was interested.
So first, I'm going to put this on the sides, kind of make the, whatever it is, whatever I catch in this trap.
What might you catch? What would it be? Don't break it, buddy.
Like a rabbit, maybe, you know, something that's small game, but they do make bigger traps, like snares for coats when you're trapping season, which is next month. But okay, so the animal's gonna come through and see the sticks. It's like, oh, I can't put my foot there. So it's gonna walk through here.
Whenever it does, he'll catch it.
You just go open the thing, make it bigger. The animal drops out. Then
So what would it catch? Its foot?
it could catch its foot most likely. If you put bait near it, the animal would put its head in the snare,
Maybe and get caught that way.
and it would kill it right off the bat because it would choke it.
Tell them why you like to call it a drag snare instead of a foot
drag
snare.
snare, because if this gets loose, so if it ever does that, the animal will be moving, and if it's in the dirt, like dry dirt, it'll leave like a trail kind of the string.
You can see it.
Kind of like a snake, like kind of just moving through everywhere, whatever he caught its foot.
There you go.
So.
This feller's 8 years old and he's ready to trap a rabbit if it ever comes to it, ain't you, Bubby?
Mhm.
Just like that. My country cousin. Boys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And comment on them.
And share them too.
And like them too.
Perfect!
This legit.
Slow dance!